I never did an introduction on this channel to my Bonneville, so let's do that now. So this is a 2020 Bonneville T120. I love the tank paint. I've got my mount for my GoPro, my mount for my phone, instrument panel. I love the headlight. I love the white accent on the seat, and of course all the chrome. The things that convinced me to buy the T120 was the dual front brakes, the traction control, and of course anti-lock braking. But this bike is stable as can be. It's just a joy to ride.